more recognize more legends here. Certain people that are important at the club are not there. See, on the Xavi, on the Messi issue, if I were one Laporta, I would have done what he did. There was no need for Messi to come back to Barcelona. What you saying here, Rich, Gabi? Nostalgia idea. It deprives you of the opportunity to know when to let go or when to keep up. So to me, echo baby. Now they know, oh yeah, oh it's a good place to be because of the nostalgic feeling. We are used to it. If you don't take care, when it's time to actually go, you still be there and you stagnate. It was time for Lionel Messi to leave the club, and even after winning the World Cup, there was no point for Messi to come. Gabi, Bianca today, you wouldn't have been able to get those young boys that La Masia has been able to promote. See, usually Barca fans say that, oh, omo club, no, omo promoting players from the academy and all of those things. Barca before, they didn't buy Neymar from the academy. And that is the most expensive player that has been shipped out of Spain to Paris Saint-Germain. Barca did not bring Ronaldinho from the academy. Pedro Gonzalez, some top players that were Barcelona team, you will still buy them from elsewhere. That is the dealings of current day football. But say maybe do not say turn it to somewhere. Barca have the factory to be able to go and bring those players on the academy and they will deliver. They wanted Sergio Busquets replacement. That's Javi Wenya. Oka Lavanguardia mu say Konya Martin Ibanez Zubimendi. It could be Sergio Busquets Jumano. He couldn't come. He couldn't come in. But when Nababe Oye and Oye said Jumano, take away Frankie de Jong who was bought, take away Pedri who was bought, and then look at what is Mark Bernal. Bernal can do that job well. Mark Casado bon fee if you want money. And it is because time a club no come here mono. The lower side which the La Masia has the quality to come into the big team to come and do the job. For me, there was no point Messi coming back. Say Messi be back. So a testimony have been on Obama Messi, they should play for him and he moves on. And I agree 100%. Me, I think I'm as a cooler. I probably would have voted for Juan Laporta to go on and do the job. There's no point to change.
But Xavi mu problem ne say. Men man ko public say I saw me the problem in Tia Messi anya day. Anti me ama. Just make the true statement say. Me na na se be ma Messi nye de emma because yesi kasam nye. But Messi society ni feel say o tanisi ni din say I don't say on lower ni si kasam ano mo peska kese be e ho na yeduru you.
But Gabi, at the end of the day say ni kasam.
Okay.
Messi si cannot be say 2 cities impo. Na say ebeba massa ho akyere na e si kasam. Inti ABR, you don't want to go down to Juan Laporta points. Juan Laporta so embeso better so and as embeso better as here for you. But at the end of the day is kasam. It's a Juan Laporta generalizing because we can't bring Lionel Messi and Sebe Gab. Lionel Messi on Jimmy Musica. On Jimmy Musica ibi. Sika a sister the 40s of Barcelona and Lionel Messi.
Yeah.
So for me, I think it was time for Lionel Messi to go.
Okay.
Away from the election. I don't know. In the last 4 games that Barca bought this season, in the last 4 games, I'm about in all competition, Barca conceded just 1 goal per. And that was in the game against Villarreal. And I don't know if Barca have gotten into the mode where we say maybe a season I say we pick you. Your best moments have to be now. And yet time and you start say somewhere in August thereabout. This is where you have to pick right. And Barca's biggest issues have always been the issue of defense. But the game they played against Villarreal, the game they played against Atletico de Madrid, and this weekend against Athletic Club, and one more game. Barca, all of those 4 games conceding just 1 goal.
Wow.
So it is beginning to send a signal that yes, they may not be perfect, but near somewhere here, especially in the league and elsewhere, to get the job that Barca are doing. That be against Athletic Club. It was probably one of the difficult games that Barca had against Athletic Club in the last few years. Very, very tough. It took Pedri to come on in the second half. In fact, also exists know how they played. Athletic were very, very good. Making sure Barca Athletic were not going to score a goal. Oshaya, 1. Before Pedri came on, something happened in the first half. And weekend Mekai, I need to say it again. Look at the rating of Abranti friend Gerard Martin, 7.7. He was highly rated than Abranti friend Paul Kubasi. Kubasi enya all the plaudits from Barcelona fans of the academy name or a young player. But the best player in Barca centre back, and which gave me you could see was Abranti friend Gerard Martin. because almost all of the athletic for attack was coming through Abranche friend Berenguer on that left-hand side of Barca's defense. It is a Cancelo attack now. Now can Gerard Martin to come and do the defending in the left-hand side, and he did an excellent job. Again, for me, he is Barca's unsung hero over this weekend. He showed quality. Yes, Pedri Bemu created that chance for Lamine Yamal, whose quality did show in an important time for Team Friend Football Club Barcelona. But for me on the night, I think I will give a lot of credit to Abranche friend Gerard Martin for the quality that he did show. This season, Abranche friend Lamine Yamal, again, he's speaking at the right time. Just when Barca need him, or 36 games, no, or I said 19 goals over there. Last season, 18 goals in 55 games. The numbers have been bettered by Abranche friend Lamine Yamal, Ebanes Najwawi. Of course, Barca managed to get all important 3 points now over there. And after the game, Pedri say, I don't care about what Real Madrid will do. We have to focus on ourselves. And that is what they have to do. English FA Cup, no Barca. And then the quarterfinal draw on Ebebaso. I started with Chelsea going away to Wrexham. Yeah, Chelsea for an NTS say unya sound team. Now players 9 every man. There was no way you will get the performance that the first team will give you. No team in the world will give you that.
Yeah.
Opa, Madrid enko Real Zaragoza. No in the starting 11 9 every. Unless that team has been playing together for 4 years, 3 years consistent together. You don't switch a center back of Tosin and then bring Sa and then bring Badiashile and then play Hato. Now, goalkeeper, first choice goalkeeper now has become second choice goalkeeper. Now we feel for Romeo Lavia on ball for a very long time. Add Andres Santos, then Liam Delap, and think that you go and outrun an exam team that has been playing together for a long time. Know themselves.
For bare 4 years,
yes.
Players now.
Na easy. It's not me Chelsea for no complaining. Oh, born in your no. In cup games, you just have to win. Yeah. It was just about the win. You see, I'm misali I'm Rossini. I said, "O taking risk kakra." And I say, "I no credit." Baby, a season na do no. When taking risks, there is no way his team will be able to get the results that they are looking for. Because you do baby in the season are the most important, and you need the best out of all of the players. Over in every 3 days. I like the answer Liam Rossini gave. So one more Romeo Lavia against Wrexham, a match when I'm born Paris Saint-Germain. What do you mean against Paris Saint-Germain? Exactly. Darius Sugo. So one born against Wrexham, match when I'm born. It's against Wrexham, and you don't need to go and look for good football against Wrexham, Daddy. What you need to do is to make sure you get a job done. Minim dia Liam Rossini aye for Joao Pedro. But it looks as if it is beginning to also show on a branch FNL Liga Ganacho.
Yeah, or can one some say dia I saw check Ganacho yen send your pen na pepe.
Yeah. It looks as if it's beginning to show for branch FNL.
Now first if
I am going to monitor Ganacho to see. He was very, very important part for Chelsea on the night. I was giving him against my friend Rex. Of course, Joao Pedro Bayano, he showed the performance in there. Also the cameo of our brand friend Darius Sugo. That is something that you need to be able to see in terms of our quality. Arsenal call away to Mansfield. Eko Kurini also by 2-1. And Arsenal also making a lot of changes with some very, very young players. And I bet they made the job easy by making it 2-1. Man City Echo away to Newcastle United, and they won the game by 3-1. What it means is that in the English FA Cup games, are very interesting. There is West Ham or Brentford that will play this evening. There's Chelsea, there's Liverpool, there's Arsenal, there's Leeds United, Man City, and all of those teams are unbeatable games now. We'll wait to see how the draw goes. Say draw no echo yeah. We'll come back and we'll talk about it. Now, Medicine, what's not a Champions League?
Yeah.
Now Saturday, boys Ediska. Boys name first car.
Say me who 10 hours.
Boys name first car on 10 times. So now, say Tuesday and Wednesday about Champions League no. I would want to just give them some few odds. I'm going prepare for a nene or Wednesday because on Wednesday we should be able to win big party. Got my mom codes kakra. First one a BW 43 B2 88 30. Second one BW 43AE 8DFD. Then the third and last one BW 43AE 85DB.
Okay, well, FIFI Manfred Anna Edia Court at Cardboard no sir, Yakako D and Cobana and Chena Besmako Subem